Hello viewers, today we are talk about George Wesley Bellows. 1882 to 1925 was an American realist painter and printmaker, renowned for his dynamic and often gritty depiction of urban life, especially in New York City. As one of the most important figures in the Etchison School of American Art, Blows used his keen observational skills and mastery of various media to capture the energy and struggles of modern society. His work spans many subjects from boxing scenes to urban landscapes and intimate portraits, showcasing his ability to bring raw emotion and movement to life. Blows was born on 12 August 1882 in Columbus, Ohio, the son of successful banker. He showed an early interest in art and initially pursued a career in illustration. He enrolled at the Ohio State University, where he was trained in drawing and painting. After completing his studies, Blow moved to New York City in 1904 to attend the New York School of Art, where he studied under Robert Henry, a leading figure in the Etchison School. Henry's emphasis on painting ordinary, everyday scenes and his rejection to academic tradition greatly influenced Blow's approach to art. Blow also studied at the Art Students League, and it was in New York that he found his true artistic voice. Blows was closely associated with the Etchison School, a group of artists who sought to portray the gritty, often unsavory realities of urban life, unlike the more idealized and pastoral scenes found in much of American art at the time. Etchison artists focused on the raw, unfiltered aspects of city life, highlighting the struggle and energy of the working class. They painted scenes from the streets, always, and tenements of New York, emphasizing movement, versatility, and social realism. Although Bellows' works are often associated with this group, his style was distinctive, incorporating bold, expressive brushwork and dramatic contrast, light and dark. His work are filled with energy, often capturing fleeting moments with an intensity that conveyed the emotional impact of the scenes. Blow was influenced by European artists, particularly the work of Rembrandt and the Impressionists, as well as by contemporary American artists such as John Solon and William Gilknis. One of Bellow's most celebrated themes was boxing. He became fascinated with the sports after attending matches in New York, and this interest in reflected in a series of powerful Vascular painting and prints works like Stage at Sharkey's 1909 and Damp Space and Firpo 1924 depicted brutal fast paced boxing matches with billows capturing the raw energy and physicality of the sports. These paintings show his remarkable ability to depict movement and emotion, conveying the drama of the boxing ring through his use of color, light, and composition. Another major subject in Blow's work was the life of the urban poor paintings like Cliff Dollar's 1913 and the both members of the club 1909 depict the raw and tumble nature of city life, often focusing on the struggle of the working class. His painting of tenements life, bars, and street scenes reveal his empathy for the city underclass, while his mastery of techniques allowed him to bring the grittiness of urban life to the canvas in vivid detail. In addition to urban scenes and boxing, Blow also painted landscapes, portraits, and still life. His landscapes, often painted during vacations in Maine and other parts of New England, are more serene than his urban works but still demonstrate his ability to handle light and atmosphere with the remarkable scenes of depth and movement. His portraits, often of family members or friends, are intimate and physiologically probing, showcasing his skill in capturing the newness of personality and emotion. Billow's career was tragically short as he died from a captured appendix on 8 January 1925 at the age of 42. Despite his brief life, his contribution to American art were immense. He became one of the leading figures of American realism and was instrumental in pushing American art